Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explored. Today is October 17th, 2022. Just a couple of weeks after Hurricane Ian. We only had like 65-mile-an-hour winds here, but it was enough to really wreak havoc on the yard. So I haven't had any time to dedicate toward, nursing along my festival strawberries. However, what you can see here is this festival strawberry has produced a runner, and now that has rooted, and it's producing a new runner off of there. I'm excited about this because now these festival strawberries are not in the pots. Now, I transplanted 6 over here, only 3 have survived, and that's really all I need. I just need to be able to propagate them in place. Also, this particular bed here has the organic material all throughout the bed, so these festival strawberries, the roots, they go deep. They have a lot of roots too. It's like a pretty deep and impressive root mass. So I learned that upon transplanting, and they don't seem to like to be transplanted. So if you can get them successfully transplanted into the ground or whatnot, then you have a strong chance of producing a real strawberry patch. Let's look at the other one that survived. It's over here. I put one of it had a runner over here, but that runner is struggling at this time. It's still green, so hopefully, I just watered it, hopefully it will come back to life. Anyhow, we're heading into the winter. These guys should do a little better as it's cooler out. So we'll see. This will be our first year where we observe these festival strawberries through the winter, even though they're like heat tolerant and whatnot. So hopefully we can get some production. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these festival strawberries. Have a great day.